The biggest lie in the creator economy right now is that you need hundreds of thousands of followers to make a full-time income online. People spend years burning themselves out, trying to hack the YouTube or TikTok algorithm. They post daily hoping to go viral, just to get paid a few $100 from platform, ad revenue, or worse. They rely entirely on brand deals, which means they don't actually own a business. They just have a really stressful freelance job where the algorithm is their boss. It is a terrible, unscalable business model. Today, I am going to break down the exact architecture of the micro-community model. This is the exact system that smart entrepreneurs are using right now on platforms like Skool to build $10,000, $20,000, and $30,000 a month recurring businesses. And they are doing it completely under the radar, with tiny audiences, by bypassing platform monetization entirely. Let's get into the math. The architecture of a paid community relies on direct monetization. Let's compare this to selling a standard digital product, like a $20 ebook. To make $10,000 a month selling an ebook, you have to find 500 brand new customers every single month on the first of the month. Your income resets to zero, and you have to start marketing all over again. But when you build a paid community, the math completely shifts into monthly recurring revenue, or MRR. To build a $10,000 a month business, you do not need 500 new buyers. You just need 100 people paying you $99 a month. If you retain those members on the first day of the next month, you already start with $10,000. You don't have to sell a single new person. Or if you have a high-value B2B skill, like teaching people how to start an AI agency, you only need 33 people paying you $299 a month. You are building an asset that compounds. The immediate question most people ask is, why would anyone pay $100 a month for a group chat when all the information is already free on YouTube? That is exactly the point. They are not paying for information. Information is free, but it is also overwhelming, unorganized, and confusing. People pay for transformation, curation, and accountability. A paid community curates the exact step-by-step path to get a specific result. Let's say you build a community helping freelance video editors land their first high-ticket client. The members aren't paying for Premiere Pro editing tutorials. They are paying for direct access to you. They are paying to network with other successful editors. And they are paying for a structured, distraction-free environment that forces them to actually take action. You are not selling a course. You are selling the shortcut. And humans will always pay a premium for speed and certainty. If you want people to keep paying you every single month, reducing your churn rate is critical. Churn is the percentage of people who cancel their subscription. To keep churn low, the platform you host this on is the most important piece of the architecture. You cannot use Discord. Discord is chaotic, noisy, and it overwhelms new members, leading to immediate cancellations. You also shouldn't use Patreon, because Patreon forces you onto a content treadmill, where you have to constantly produce new videos to keep people paying. This is why the entire industry is shifting to Skool. Skool combines your community forum, your calendar for weekly Q&A calls, and your course modules into one clean interface. But the real secret to Skool's architecture is gamification. Skool has built-in leaderboards. When members post valuable content or answer each other's questions, they earn points and level up. You can automatically set your premium course modules to unlock only when a member hits level 3 or level 4. This heavily incentivizes the community to help each other, meaning the acid eventually runs itself, without you having to constantly be online. So how do you actually get those first 100 members if you don't have a massive audience? You use a simple two-step acquisition funnel. Driven by search intent, you do not try to sell a $99 a month subscription directly on a TikTok video. Instead, You create a highly valuable free digital asset, a lead magnet. This could be a Notion database template, a list of AI prompts, or a client outreach script. You post evergreen faceless YouTube videos explaining how to use that specific tool. To get the free template viewers, click the link in your description and enter their email. Now you own the traffic. You send them an automated 5-day email sequence. Days 1 through 4 provide massive free value. On day 5, you pitch them a spot in your private school community. You are filtering out the noise and only pitching to hyper-warm leads who already trust you. The paid community model is the ultimate digital asset because it stacks recurring revenue predictably. If you structure the community around a specific transformation rather than just general information, your members will stay for months and your baseline income will grow every single week. If you want to see the exact software stack required to automate those emails and build the lead magnet funnel we just talked about, click the video on the screen right now. I break down the exact automation tools you need to get clients on autopilot.